right, let's see what happens when we give him a real bird. Here, here, here. Here, here, here. Oh, good job, little girl. Good job. So watching that bird. Here, here, here. Puppies, here. Here, here, here. Let's see what I have for you. Come here, come here. Here, here, here. There you go. Good job. Good job. Puppies, here. Here, here, here. Here, here, here. Let's see if they'll leave their fun wings over there and they'll come to me. Might be a little bit preoccupied here. Come on. You're having a good time with those wings. Let me take the wings and see if you want to see the real bird here. Yeah. Here, here, here. Oh, yeah, you do. Yeah, you do. I'll take away your distractions. Oliver and Duke and Copper. There's Claire and Bailey. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oliver's into the birds today. There they are. Got everybody out here. Are you guys following me? Oh, be careful, bird. Don't hurt yourself. That's Miss Purple. That's Bailey. Are you excited, Bailey? You get an active bird, you get the puppies to get a little bit more excited about that bird moving around. Duke, you're trying to get on top there. So is Copper. Oliver's on it today. These other have been over there. You just stop eating my pants. Come here, 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 here. Here, here, here. Come here. Come check out this birdie. Check out the birdie in the birdie boiler here. There you go. Well, be careful, bird. Don't hurt yourself. Prison. Uh-oh, we got people. Well, everybody's excited. Here, 5 weeks old.